If you're watching this, make sure you follow my boy, share all the stuff, subscribe, share it with your people, man. He's the voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice of black culture, man. Make sure y'all listen to your boy.
Detail World, what it do, man. We didn't finish this first car today, which is this Tesla Model 3, man. We already got the car completely knocked out. We only had to do the exterior and give it a wax. He didn't want anything done to the interior car, so we already got the car looking good. Gonna go ahead and let him know we finished so he can come and look at it. Let me know what he think about it, you know what I mean? It's a beautiful car. You see it got a shine, you see it's glowing. I noticed that carbon fiber kit on there, something he added on there, but it still look pretty dope with the red brake caliper, things like that. But, you know, we're gonna go ahead and head to the next stop, probably about 25 minutes from exactly where I'm at. But like on that note, like always, do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do, man. Stay dedicated to the process no matter how hard it gets, man. Just remember, if it's something you want, you gotta work for it, man. And nothing come overnight. And like always, man, do what you gotta do and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do, man. Hit that subscribe button, man, if you're new to the channel, or if you're not new to the channel. If you're here and you just watching, definitely let me know what you think about these cars. Do you like Teslas? Are you into electric cars? Will you get your electric car? Anything like that? But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We done made it to this first appointment right now. We out here in Green Hills, Tennessee. Is it on? Did it come on? Okay. All right, well, we out here in Green Hills, Tennessee. Right now, we're doing this Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. Rarely do these, but I do love these Mercedes-Benz. I love the size of them, small. They got that real cool Jeepish look. And I guarantee if this thing had the right rims on here, this thing would be banging. I love that, like, green, blue, green type. I don't know what color it is, but we right here doing the thing. My man Cal gonna go ahead and knock out this interior. It's really not that bad. Just got a little typical debris, fairly, you know, the little twigs, sticks, hair, a little debris. You might have a little dog hair, but that dog I think is hairless. Not hairless, but I think it's a dog that don't shed, so it's a shedless dog or whatever. I don't know, I'm saying it wrong. Shit, don't make me sound stupid. But anyway, we're gonna get in here and get it cracking. Hopefully I get done with the exterior by the time he's done, so I can go ahead and help him with this. But like I said, we got two vehicles here. We're gonna knock out that Lexus also. And then after this, we gotta go to a place. They think they got two buses to do for me or something like that. I don't know, so I don't even know what that's about. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking. But like always, I'm gonna give you a quick glimpse of what I do, like how I go about doing a little bit of my job. So you know, right now, like I say, we got a little bit of products right here. We got the tires, we got the all-purpose and the acid right here. So what I usually do is, you know, give it a little spray. You know, sometimes I heard some people say, man, you spraying too much chemicals. It's like, okay, what's too much? I mean, I'm just trying to make sure everything is lathered, covers real well. So I make sure all the products do their job. And also spray inside the real well, because if it's dirty in there, you also got to spray inside the real well, the whip lid, things like that, because you know dirt is everywhere on the car. And sometimes you may have to spray a little bit right there because of the dirt grime and stuff like that. Then you spray a little bit of wheel acid, what also helps break down the dirt, break down the brake dust and all that stuff that sometimes be a little bit hard to come off the wheel. Sometimes water and sometimes your arm strength or your elbow grease is not sufficient enough. You know, then you spray a little bit in the real well too to help break up some of that dirt and things in there, debris. Just make your job a little bit more easier. You know, having this mitt right here, you know, it's good. You know, go in there, hit it with that. You know what I mean? Give it a good cleaning. Kind of like brushing your teeth a little bit. You know what I mean? I usually got gloves, but I done ran out of them. I be forgetting to buy them. Then them things sometimes just a little expensive. Then they tear up, you know, to pay all that money for some gloves, and then you barely use them a little bit, and they already tearing up on your hand. Kind of sucks. It's like those gloves supposed to really last you. They claim they gloves for mechanics, but how they gloves for mechanics, and I'm not even doing nothing real arduous, but just doing some wheels, and then the gloves start tearing up. So I've been able to find some gloves that's real sufficient and that last. You know, you go buy some industrial gloves, but those things so thick sometimes it make it a little bit hard to grab the mitt, close your fist like that. So, you know, but then like I said, you get a little bit into the lip, hit it in that lip. You know, you can use your brush, you know, brush it up and get all that little dirt in there. Other than that, that's how we usually hit the wheel well. And we do that to usually all 4 tires and come back with the pressure washer, spray that off, and then we lather the car with water, go about washing it, knock the soap off, dry it, and then we go about the regular routine. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing what I do best, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We didn't finish this second car today because we did do that Tesla earlier. I totally forgot, but we got this Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 completely done, in and out. We got the car looking immaculate. They got that shine. Watch how the hands just slides off there. Got a nice coat of wax on there. Got the interior of the car nice and clean. The doors wiped down properly. Got the seats wiped down properly. The monitor, the back, everything. Got all of the dirt and debris that was up in here that y'all remember. But we're about to go ahead and start on the second car. Hopefully she pulls up real soon. And you know how that goes. So we always take pride in whatever we do over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. And like always, I'm gonna do what I gotta do to do what you gotta do. Or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Leave a like, comment, share. Let me know what y'all think, man. I know you watching. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. And like always, peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We didn't finish this third car today, which is this Lexus. I'm not 100% sure what model this is, but I'll let you know. It is a RX 350. But yeah, we got the car completely done. It really wasn't that bad. You know, they older people, you know, usually older people keep their cars fairly clean. So that's the good thing. You just dust in there, like dust on the doors, dust in the pocket, stuff like that. So that's about it, but you got your typical debris like always, but it really wasn't that bad. I definitely do need to come in here and wipe this off. Cal, can you just wipe right here real quick? You'll see it right there on the brown part. But other than that, we got it done. For to let them know we finished. We can head to the next stop and they keep calling. I told them I was running a little late because of traffic and things like that. Because the traffic here in Tennessee is starting to be ridiculous. We're in Nashville. But I'm going to go ahead and get everything go. Let this lady know we done. So we go ahead and get out here. And like always, do what you got to do. And y'all on the rest of the script. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We out here at Evergreen Healthcare, I believe that's the name of the company, over here off Dana Way. They actually got my information off Google, but they actually just wanted to get some of these company vehicles done. So we actually came out here and just did some light exterior cleaning with just a light interior cleaning. They just didn't want to detail it, but if I could have showed you what the floor looked like prior to, you would think I did detail it because it's extremely dirty in here. Had a lot of dirty hair, had a lot of debris all in the tracks, things like that. Doors was dirty, but we knocked it out fast as possible. They still want me to do one more vehicle here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up, see what they think about it, if they satisfied with the service of this car, and if they are, we definitely gonna start on the next one. And you already know how it goes. But on that note, man, let's do what you gotta do, and y'all already know. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We didn't finish this last car of the day, which is this Nissan Murano, man. It was for this company again, Evergreen Healthcare, but we got the car completely done, man. We just did a basic, real light, nothing real crazy, but we're gonna go ahead and park it. Let her know we finished, and you know, go ahead and start on the next car. See, she wants these car details. She do want to get those things out eventually, but she didn't want to do that now. But y'all already know how it go. We take so much pride in what we do, man. And on that note, I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing. Remember, man, one love thyself. You can't love anybody if you don't love yourself, and I'm for real, man. Remember that. And like always, man, peace.
If you're watching this, make sure you follow my boy, share all the stuff, subscribe, share it with your people, man. He's the voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice of black